Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram Wrapped. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. So once you open Play Store, you simply need to search for Instagram and you need to click on Instagram and you need to update Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram and click on the search icon and you can see wrap on the top, but let's here you can see that currently I am unable to see wrap because it is not available for me and I need to wait for few days so that I have the wrap option on my Instagram account. So this is the process by which you can get Instagram wrapped. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.